Hey guys! What are your hobbies? How often do you do them? How would you answer these questions? This lesson is about adverbs of frequency in English. We use them commonly in daily English, so it is essential to learn them. Adverbs of frequency show you how often something happens. We have two types of adverbs of frequency. First one is definite frequency, which is a word like daily, that we know exactly how often. Other words are hourly, daily, weekly, every other week, monthly, yearly, every second, once a minute, twice a year, once, twice, once or twice, 3 times. In a sentence, adverbs of definite frequency typically go in and position. For example, most companies pay taxes yearly. The manager checks the toilets every hour. We take a vacation at least once annually. The directors meet weekly to review progress. Sometimes, usually for reasons of emphasis or style, some adverbs of definite frequency may go at the front. For example, every day, more than 5,000 people die on our roads. The second type is indefinite frequency, which is a word like often, give us an idea about frequency, but they don't tell us exactly. Let's see how they are and how much they could be possible each. All the time, most of the time, many times, some of the time, no time. Never, hardly ever, rarely, seldom, infrequently, occasionally, sometimes, often, regularly, frequently, normally, generally, usually, always, and constantly. Adverbs of indefinite frequency mainly go in a middle of position in the sentence. They go before the main verb. Let's have some examples for each. I always go to bed before 11 p.m. I usually have cereal for breakfast. He talked generally about his plans. I normally go to the gym. He frequently appears in her office. The sales team meets regularly in the office. I often surf the internet. I sometimes forget my wife's birthday. I occasionally eat junk food. This car was infrequently used by the owner. I seldom read the newspaper. She rarely talks about her past. I hardly ever drink alcohol. I never swim in the sea. Thank you for watching.